Are you tired of struggling with unreliable tools? Meet the AVID POWER 20V Cordless Drill. It's the solution you've been looking for, perfect for every DIY project around your home, garden, and workshop. With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you won't be left in the lurch during your projects. Embrace the 15+1 torque settings. This feature enables precise control, safeguarding against stripped screws and allowing for effortless drilling into wood, metals, and plastics. What makes this drill stand out is its lightweight and ergonomic design. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, ensuring comfort during extended use. Plus, the built-in LED light illuminates even the darkest corners, so you never miss a spot. Transform your home improvement projects with this complete kit, which includes 22 versatile accessories. From furniture assembly to wall mounting, this drill has everything you need in one package. Join the countless satisfied customers who have rated it 4.6 stars. Don't let the competition win. Invest in the AVID Power Drill today. Ready to elevate your DIY experience? Order now and unleash your inner craftsman.